Well, I was a drafter for 10 years. Started with on the board, which in itself is extremely antiquated nowadays. But then we went into CAD, and I got into CAD in like '83. So almost from the very beginning. So um, I went from actually having to draw these out on paper to being able to do it electronically. But that was really kind of a semi-step because you still had to put the lines in the drawing one by one. The text in, you had to put that in one by one. The arrowheads, the later lines, whatever you were doing, there was no automation for it. So, it's what we used to refer to as stick drawing, because you did it one stick at a time, putting it all in there. So, knowing that effort, I think helped me when I put this thing together, because I knew what was going to be expected.